Hello my fellow family foodie friends. Today I am making air fryer chicken wings. I'm using a store-bought sauce, doctoring up just a little bit and sharing it with you. It is so easy, so delicious, and you're going to want to check it out. I purchased this 4-pound package of frozen wings sections from Walmart, the Great Value brand. I think it was around $9 for 4 pounds, and I'm putting roughly half the bag, so 2 pounds, in a gallon-sized freezer bag using that nifty contraption, which is also linked below. And I'm putting it in the fridge 15 hours overnight so that they're thawed the next day. I am starting this process with thawed wings. I didn't want to do it frozen. I'm sure that there are instructions somewhere on frozen, but this is not for that. I am now drying off the wings according to the recipe. You want to make sure that you have dried skin on your wings because that'll allow them to get crispy. I am now adding Mrs. Dash's original seasoning to the wings themselves, and I am also spraying my basket for the air fryer with oil. Now I am just making sure I'm getting the bottom of my chicken wings dried again. They were pretty good. I didn't really get much else off, but I was just better safe than sorry. And now at 380 I have set them for 25 minutes. At 17 minutes I gave them a good shake, so after 8 minutes. And then I started it again. 10 minutes later I did a shake. I wasn't exact about my shaking. I probably could have done it a little more. They still turned out great. And then at the end, I shook them one more time. After the first 25 minutes, you want to bump the heat up to 400 degrees and really finish them off at high heat. This will allow you to get really crispy skin. So the last 15 minutes while it started, I am melting half a stick of butter, so 4 tablespoons, and then I'm adding in that Mango Habanero sauce from ALDI. I just wanted to have a little bit of the fat added in to cut the heat a bit and to thin out the sauce. I thought it looked quite thick. And here are my wings 5 minutes into the last 15 minutes, giving them another good shake. That is an important part of this process to get an even cook and very crispy skin everywhere. The shaking allows for the ones that are stacked on top of each other to have the skin exposed everywhere. And here at the end, after shaking every 5 minutes, is what I am left with. They were so crispy. The first thing I had to do though was make sure that they hit at least 165 degrees, which it went well above. And you could see me tapping to show you that the skin wasn't mushy. It was very crispy. And now I'm taking my wings. They are delectable like that, but I wanted to add the sauce. I'm adding the sauce directly from the pan onto the wings and giving it a nice stir. And that is how I made my air fryer wings. They were well received from the people I shared them with. I thought they were delicious. And if this doesn't sell you on getting an air fryer, I don't know what is. So do it. Do it, do it, do it. And if you already have one, make sure you make the wings. I have celery and ranch. You know, they go great with the heat. First bite. I love chicken wings. That skin is so crispy. Like, it's amazingly crispy and so good from an air fryer. I highly recommend this. And if you like snacky foods and you have an air fryer, I bet you'd really love these naan dippers. I use naan bread. I make them really delicious, crispy, and we dip them in hummus. So check it out. I'll be here snacking on my chicken. Chow down and chow.